Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox outline. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox outline not found in, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will go to this window of Roblox and you will click here in this page. You will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here we click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. If you will find here update, then you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us, like and subscribe. See you next time.